Hello my beautiful foodie family, welcome back to Sem's Kitchen. Look at this spread, just look at it. Today I am sharing a recipe that is very close to my heart. This is the famous rice with green peas and minced beef. In my house, we don't just call this dinner, we call it a royal feast. It's savory, it's colorful, and it has the most satisfying textures you can imagine. We have fluffy aromatic rice, tender sweet peas, savory spiced meat, and crunchy roasted nuts on top. And of course, we cannot forget the refreshing cucumber yogurt salad on the side. The contrast between the hot rice and the cold yogurt is, honestly, it's pure happiness on a plate. If you are ready to impress your family with a meal that looks like $1,000,000 but is actually super easy, keep watching.
Welcome to our kitchen.
I hope you will join our big family. Let's start our recipe.
Okay, let's start with the most important part, the rice. A lot of people struggle with sticky or mushy rice, but today I'm giving you my secret hack. I treat my basmati rice exactly like pasta. I have a pot of boiling water here, lots of water. I wash my rice well and just drop it in. No oil, no salt yet. We are just parboiling it. Let it dance in the water freely. We only want to cook it about 70 to 80%. Why do we do this? Because draining it afterwards removes all that excess starch. This is the guarantee, and I mean the guarantee, that your rice will be fluffy and every grain will be separate. Once it's slightly tender but still has a bite, drain it and rinse it with warm water. Look how beautiful and long the grains are. Now let's build the flavor foundation. In a large pot, I'm adding a generous dollop of ghee. You can use butter, but ghee gives it that authentic, rich aroma. Go in with your minced beef. You can use lamb if you want to be extra fancy, or even chicken breast cubes for a lighter version. Break the meat down and let it sizzle. Can you hear that sound? That is the sound of flavor unlocking. Now let's spice it up. We don't need a million spices, just the right ones. I'm using salt, plenty of freshly cracked black pepper, and the king of the kitchen, 7 spices or allspice. I also love adding 2 bouillon cubes. It just deepens the savory taste so much. Stir everything until the meat is beautifully browned and your kitchen smells incredible. Time to add some color. I'm going in with chopped carrots. I cut them small so they cook evenly with the peas. Give them a quick toss with the meat. And now, the star of the show, the green peas. Whether you use fresh or frozen, be generous. The sweetness of the peas balances the salty meat perfectly. I also like to add some yellow bell peppers for a pop of brightness. It makes the dish look like a jewel box. Pour in a little splash of water, just a tiny bit. Cover the pot and let those veggies steam for about 5 minutes. We want them tender, but we still want them to keep that vibrant color. We don't want mushy veggies. Okay, the base is ready. Now remember our parboiled rice? Bring it back and pour it right over our colorful meat and veggie mixture. Now gently fold everything together. We want to mix it so those beautiful green peas and carrots are speckled throughout the white rice. Pro tip, be very gentle. Use a spatula and fold it with love. We want to distribute the colors without breaking those long, beautiful grains of rice. Once it's mixed and looks like a mosaic, smooth the top and drizzle a little more ghee for that glossy finish. Cover the pot tightly. Turn the heat down to the absolute lowest setting, low and slow, and let it steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to mingle perfectly while the rice finishes cooking. While our masterpiece is steaming, we have just enough time to make the sidekick. You cannot, and I mean cannot, eat this rice without this cucumber yogurt salad. It's the rule. It's super simple. Chopped crispy cucumbers, lots of creamy plain yogurt or Greek yogurt, a crushed clove of garlic for a little kick, and plenty of dried mint. Mix it all up. If you like it thinner, add a splash of cold water or milk. This sauce is cooling, refreshing, and it cuts through the richness of the ghee and meat perfectly. And now, the moment of truth. Let's plate this up. Whether you flip the pot or scoop it out, look at the result. See, the rice is perfectly cooked, not sticky at all. The peas are bright green. The meat is juicy. Top it off with some toasted almonds or pine nuts. That crunch is essential. This dish is perfect for family gatherings, weekends, or whenever you want to feel a warm hug from your food. Grab a spoon, get a bit of everything, dip it in the yogurt, and enjoy. If you loved this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Tell me in the comments, do you like more peas or more carrots? See you in the next delicious video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I love you, my wonderful followers. See you soon!